How to change region on Epic Games. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser on your device. Now in here in the search bar, you can go ahead and search for Epic Games. Select where it says Epic Games Store, download and play PC games, mods and more. So you will be redirected to the official website of Epic Games. Make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the user icon and head to the account option. Here in your account settings, in your left hand side, you will see some of the options. You have to select account setting, scroll down and select country or region, then tap on the pencil icon next to it. Now here are some of the things you should consider. You can only change your region every 6 months. Since I have recently changed my region, I'm not able to change it for now. The email address that you have linked with the Epic Games, make sure that it is registered and verified. Also, if you are using any VPN connection, make sure to disable it and try to change your region on Epic Games once again. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.